refers to the reduction in the quantity of water available in a particular system due to various natural processes. So, basically, version, the reduction of water na from wala siya ni-follow sa from natural.
Mercury. Diba ano yun siya?
Atmospheric siya ng
The air above the lake at the height of 2 meters has a vapor pressure of 20 millimeters.
W, which is the input and output of energy, 20 calories. 30 calories are lost to the air as air has heat. So HL, 30 calories, 10 calories are lost to the heat rising in the atmosphere. HC, which is the conduction and convection, and 5 calories are stored in the water, HR, which is our HR. So HR.
Hindi siya mag-flavor. Unlike sa ibang part na na-strawberry, okay. Same lang may kanang katong ibang iba na example ganyan, pero wala ka magkakaroon sa sample
Ang
for
mass transfer ay magpalit ito. Actually, ang kasi next time ko is parang application of the second law mass transfer.
art.
So that completes the water cycles, and then the cycle starts all over again. Characteristics. About 10% of the moisture found in the atmosphere is released by plants through transpiration. The remaining 90% is mainly supplied by evaporation from oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and streams.
Crops to the atmosphere. So to fully understand what is evapotranspiration, so here is a short video about evapotranspiration. I didn't have one. So this is a short video about the evapotranspiration.